becomes stronger.
Okay.
Then we put this one.
Okay.
It's another electric problem. It's only running nicely.
Okay.
Then come to the noodles.
Okay. So then, all of your noodles every day you make them like this.
Yes.
Okay.
And well, Chinese we like the fresh one. It's
Yeah.
fresh one.
Okay.
The big one, the dry one,
Oh.
not so nice.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sure.
Well, thank